The great city of New York, a place of towering ambition. It now dreams a new dream, a dream of clean, boundless energy. This energy will come from the ocean winds. The city that never sleeps looks to a brighter future. Imagine giant turbines spinning far out at sea. These are modern marvels of engineering. They stand tall against the ocean sky. Their blades catch the powerful Atlantic gusts. This is not science fiction, but a plan in action. New York is reaching for a new kind of power, a power that is clean and endlessly renewed. For centuries, cities have relied on fuels from the earth. Coal, oil, and gas powered our world. But this came at a considerable cost. Our air, our climate, felt the strain. Now, a new chapter is being written. New York seeks to turn the page. It wants to harness nature's raw power. This journey is filled with immense hope. Will this grand gamble pay off for New York? Can technology and determination overcome the obstacles? We watch as this incredible story unfolds. The city's skyline may soon be powered by the sea. New York State has set a truly audacious goal. By the year 2035, it aims high. It plans to generate 9,000 megawatts of offshore wind energy. This is a colossal amount of power. It is a testament to human aspiration. The state is looking far into the future. This is a bold promise to its people. What does 9,000 megawatts truly mean? It is enough electricity to power over 6 million homes. Think of the countless lights, appliances, and devices, all running on energy from the wind. This would significantly reduce reliance on older fuels. It is a huge step towards a cleaner New York, a future powered by the breath of the ocean. The plan aims to create thousands of new jobs, good jobs for skilled workers. These jobs will be in manufacturing and maintenance. They will also be in construction and logistics. This is about building a new green economy, an economy that works for people and the planet. By embracing offshore wind, it sets an example. A future New York is determined to build. The path to clean energy is not always smooth. The offshore wind industry faced strong headwinds. In 2023, inflation surged unexpectedly. Global supply chains, vital for components, faltered. This caused costs to balloon for developers. Companies like Ørsted and Equinor felt the pressure. Some projects faced delays or even cancellation. The dream met a harsh reality. Equinor's Empire Wind 1 project saw its own storms. This project aims to power 500,000 homes. It is a vital piece of the puzzle. Yet, it was once halted by a government order. This halt cost the company dearly. Around $50 million each week, it is said. Such setbacks tested the resolve of all involved. Financially, the seas were choppy for developers. Equinor's renewable energy division reported significant losses in 2024. The profit margin for Empire Wind 1 was estimated to be very slim. Less than 5%, a challenging figure. These ventures require vast investment. The returns initially can seem uncertain. In April of 2025, a new hurdle appeared. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management, or BOEM, issued a stop work order. Uncertainty rippled through the industry. Yet, amidst the challenges, signs of progress emerged. Like the sun breaking through storm clouds, New York's very first commercial-scale offshore wind farm began to spin. South Fork Wind became operational in 2024. Its turbines now send clean power to Long Island. This was a significant milestone, a beacon of hope for the larger vision. The stop work order for Equinor's Empire Wind project was lifted. This happened on May 19, 2025. Construction activities could finally resume. The giant machines could turn once more. A collective sigh of relief was felt. The project was back on course. This was a crucial turning point. As of this month, May 2025, Empire Wind is making good headway. More than 30% of the project is complete. The planned commercial operation date is set for 2027. Soon, its 54 turbines will power many homes. The determination to succeed is palpable. This project embodies resilience. Key figures express their gratitude and optimism. The winds of change are blowing again. Section 5: The Human Element, Community Voices, and Local Dreams. The story of offshore wind is also a human story. In Brooklyn, environmental justice advocates see great promise. They support the Empire Wind project. They see it bringing local jobs. They envision cleaner air for their communities. For them, it is a step towards a fairer future. A future where progress benefits everyone. However, not all voices sing in unison. Some communities have raised concerns. Commercial fishing groups worry about their ancient livelihoods. They fear the turbines will disrupt fishing grounds. Activists in New Jersey and New York echo these worries. They question the impact on the marine world. These are important considerations that must be addressed. Organizations like Clean Ocean Action have voiced concerns. They focus on protecting precious marine life. They want robust safeguards in place. The New England Fishermen's Stewardship Association is also watchful. They are keen to protect fishing jobs and the delicate balance of the marine environment. Dialogue and careful planning are essential. This venture touches many lives and many places. Section 6. Balancing the scales, economic waves, and environmental tides. These grand offshore wind projects require immense investment. The upfront costs are undeniably high. Building these structures in the deep ocean is a feat. It demands cutting-edge technology and skilled labor. This is a significant financial undertaking for any state, a true test of commitment to a green future. But the potential long-term rewards are equally substantial. New industries can flourish around offshore wind. Manufacturing, installation, and maintenance create jobs. These are not just temporary roles. They offer sustained employment for years to come. This can invigorate local economies. It is an investment in future prosperity. The environmental benefits are perhaps the most compelling. Cleaner air is a gift to public health. Reduced carbon emissions help fight climate change. Each spinning turbine is a step away from fossil fuels. This means a healthier planet for future generations. Offshore wind can help diversify the energy supply. The goal is a positive impact on the entire ecosystem. Section 7. The political winds, navigating a shifting landscape. For New York's ambitious plans to succeed, one thing is vital. Sustained support from the federal government is crucial. These are vast, complex infrastructure projects. They span many jurisdictions and require coordination. Consistent policy and backing create a stable environment. This allows long-term investments to flourish. The political landscape can be as shifting as the ocean currents. The Trump administration's role has been notably complex. There were earlier halts to projects like Empire Wind. Then, reports surfaced of a bargain in May 2024. This deal apparently allowed Empire Wind to proceed, in exchange for cooperation on natural gas pipelines. This happened before the April 2025 stop work order. Adding to this complexity, former President Trump has, in the past, vowed to end offshore wind, if he were to be elected again in the future. Some political figures, like Representative Jeff Van Drew, actively oppose these projects. They raise concerns about costs and impacts. Navigating these political winds requires skill and diplomacy. The future of offshore wind depends on it. Section 8. Looking to the horizon. New York's offshore wind future. Equinor, a key player, has shown a wider commitment to the U.S. The company has invested significantly across various energy sectors, around $60 billion since the early 2000s. This demonstrates a long-term interest, an interest that extends beyond a single project. This underlying commitment provides some stability. We can look to Europe for lessons learned. Nations like Denmark and the United Kingdom are pioneers. They have successful, mature offshore wind industries. Their experiences offer valuable insights into technology, regulation, and community engagement. New York can learn from these global leaders, adapting best practices to its own unique coastline. So, will New York achieve its mighty goals? The journey so far has been a mix of triumph and tribulation. Progress on South Fork Wind is heartening. The revival of Empire Wind offers fresh hope. Yet hurdles remain, both economic and political. The scale of the ambition is immense. It requires unwavering resolve. The prize is great, a cleaner, more sustainable world.